Give you a satellite view of where we got that camper out of. It's on the top of a huge hill in the middle of the forest, and there's trees, you know, everywhere. Just kind of give you an idea of the challenge it was to get that out of there. But oh man, was it worth it? It was so worth it. Awesome camper. I want to show you here. Here's the trailer. So I forgot to show you that it is in the free section. That's where it came from. I don't know if you want to read the information that's on there, but it's just amazing after cleaning it all out how nice it really is. Just a great camper. It's gonna be a huge blessing in our family. Little homestead update. We got our baby chicks. We got them about a couple weeks ago. We've got 6 Cornish cross meat chickens, and the rest are all pullets for our egg laying. They got a little run they can go out underneath here. And this door closes up at night. There's our big chicken coop over there. Some projects we've been working on. Just got done building that trailer out. That used to be a pop-up camper. And here's the old Bolins, which, believe it or not, you may have seen the video, or I may post it after this one. There's our free 30-foot Shasta camper that we got off of Craigslist, which I actually pulled into that spot with the Bolins tractor, believe it or not. There's the old Nomad camper way back there, which we built out into a tiny home. I'll take you over there and show you that sometime. Got a lot going on. Just got some stuff planted in the garden over here. Got a lot more to plant. And we'll keep you up to date.